Hi, welcome to another video tutorial for To-Do List. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate potentially one of the most effective features of To-Do List, one of the most used features by our users, Auto Schedule. Now, this feature lets you automatically schedule any incomplete tasks in priority order with set due dates without you having to worry about what they are. Basically, the rules that you set up in your to-do list for the valid days, the number of hours per day, and also the order of your list will set the auto schedule. And we recommend when you're first setting up your to-do list with the set of activities for the first time, you go through and you enter them all. You set the categories, the status, the priority, who's responsible, and you just set the estimated effort hours. Don't set any due dates. You can put some notes in if you need to put notes in. Don't set any due dates, and then set them in order. Now, when you're happy that the order's right, so using your custom sort, so in this case we have it sorted by priority first, status, and then category. If we're interested in having category as the first sort, we could move that to the top, click update, and then that would have all the exercise at the top and then priority order underneath, all the diet and the meditation. I'll leave it as priority at the top, and I'll click update. And now we have all the critical activities at the top of the list with the effort hours. So now I'm ready to actually use auto schedule. So I click auto schedule and it comes up and says, you've initiated auto schedule for this list. It can't be undone. So if you do this on an existing list, the changes that it will make will not be undone. So you've got to be sure you want to use it. You're going to be asked to set the due date for the first item in the list. So for the first one in this list, which is investigate the exercise options in my area, and then that'll set all the other ones automatically. So I'll go yes. Comes up with the select date. Right, I'm happy that I'm going to set the date for the due date for that first one to be the 1st of November. It then goes ahead and sets all the dates, the due dates, and will also set the calculated start dates for all those activities, so that you have an optimum delivery of those activities. Now, you can also use this to help you, after you've completed an item in a list, to reset those items, or if you've resorted a list, let's say, and you've made one critical. So let's say this particular one down here we decided is critical now, and we've actually finished this particular item here. So we said we completed that item, and we completed it actually on the 31st, so we completed that early. We're now just going to go and refresh this list. And basically anything that's completed will get sorted to the bottom. The critical item will get sorted to the top, but you can see the due date's not right because we're now saying we want to do this task first. So now we can go and use auto schedule again, and it will ask us to set the due date for the first task. So we know that first task is going to take us 10 hours, and we're only working 4 hours a day on the tasks. So we're going to go ahead and set the first due date for this particular one to be, let's say, Wednesday the 7th of November. Right, so now we've set that particular activity to be due on the 7th of November. It means it's got to start on the 1st of November. The other ones are set forward, and this list has now been automatically scheduled. So that's a demonstration of how auto schedule works. We think you'll find that a very useful feature within To-Do List, and it'll help you get your list organized and in priority order, ready to be done. And then basically today's focus and all the other views will be in the correct order for you to work through. So thanks for listening, and check out our help site for more videos on getting the most out of To-Do List.